Okay, here we have an Audi Q5 with a six-cylinder. The problem is that we have a full code for secondary air injection system. We did replace the secondary air injection pump, which is pretty much located right over here. Uh, the pump was bad, so after we replaced the pump, the code is coming back for both of the banks. We checked the valves on the back; the valves are fine. There's a common problem with these cars where there's a passages inside the hat for that system to work properly. Push the air to get the exhaust out faster. And what's going on? There's service bulletin for it through the Audi. There's a passages inside the hat, and they are just plugged with a carbon buildup, and that's what's causing air not to go through them as efficient as it should. So what's going to happen is you would have to manually clean that stuff. There's certain different procedures how you can do it. You can do it with a water pressure. You have to have special tools. You can do it manually, but either or, you still have to do it. So if, you would have to remove the front clip. Everything has to go out, and then so you can get to the front of the engine. There's a freeze plugs inside the hats. You remove those freeze plugs, remove the exhaust manifold, and then you clean the passages, and then you clean the passages that goes inside that hat into the exhaust manifold. We'll give you all of the updates as we go, so you can see how the job is done, and so you can do it, I guess, yourself. Bye.